Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 25. What? It's actually red. It's red. So that was the longest run in the Dow Industrials, folks, in 30 years. In 1987, 13 days in a row up. Dow down 25, NASDAQ down 36, S&P's down 6, gold contract down $9.70, trading at $1,249 an ounce. Silver down 7 cents, $18.34 an ounce. Platinum down $4, $1,023 an ounce. You got copper up 2 pennies at $2.70 a pound. Light sweet crude flat, $53.99 a barrel. Bottom line, tomorrow 10:30, we're going to have the oil numbers coming out. Bonds, 10-year note down 12 ticks, 124.24. 30-year bond up 3 ticks, 152.23. Both notes and bonds, folks, bottom line, continue to press against those swing points, and they have the juice. King dollar up 171 ticks, trading at 101.305. The euro is at 105, and the yen is trading at 112.64. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have a sideways market out here. We're down 61 cents. Bottom line is that SPY, you're at 236.50. Dow Industrials, as I said at the beginning of the update, Dow, this is the first day that the Dow went negative. Big deal, 25 cents, right? And we'll see where that shakes out. But that's, 13 days in a row in a positive. NASDAQ Composite. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. So the Composite, folks, came down 36 points. And I suspect what we're going to see is that you did. So the Composite unloaded with some volume. It did 2.2 billion shares on the way down. That's saying it wants to go lower inside the context. And when you see this, the small caps, the IWM, that came down with 38 million shares, down $2.16. Now, what the small caps did, and the small caps have been the weakest indice. It got back inside its lower range. That lower range in the IWM is 138.82. You're at 137.84. That's saying the small caps want to make a run for the bottom of this consolidation once again, which is 133.17. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here, folks, trading at a price point of $12.49. You did 221,000 contracts out here. Gold is in 2 separate ABC structures on the way up. Bottom line, I expect you're going to see that. One of them is a 12.81 price target. The other is 12.89. And you can expect some high volatility tonight in a huge way. You got Trump speaking to Congress and the Senate at 9 o'clock. And I suspect what the market's going to be looking for, where's the money going to come from? Because there's no doubt the market from November 4th right to now skyrocketed. Equity skyrocketed, defense stocks skyrocketed, all of the above. Now the question is going to be inside the marketplace, where does it get paid for, and is it going to happen? The Federal Reserve, they have been out here yapping all day long in a huge way. You had Williams come out saying that a hike should be done in March. You had just into the close here, so there's a 54% probability now that the Fed will go up March 15th. Now, that being said, as we were just coming on the air, what you had, this should be in the top of the, so was it Williams that came out with that? But then there's another Fed governor that Dudley. Dudley just came out, folks, coming into the close, says that it's more complicated than that in order to go up on rates on March 15th. So that battle is going to be out there also. Silver contract. What do we have with silver? Silver, bottom line, wants higher price. It already finished its ABC structure on the way up. We're at $18.33. 19.10 is game out here. 10-year note. What do we have with the 10-year note? 10-year note is trading at down 13 ticks. Let me just look at this too. So this is really wild. So the 10-year note, folks, just went down, coming into right at the close from 125.02 to 124.23. That's quite a hit. That's a big hit, man. Let me see the 30-year right now. So simultaneously, the 30-year also gets sold off into the close. Now, these sell-offs here, this isn't what's intriguing about the sell-off. There's no volume on this at all. At all. So this is not like some monster was in there selling. Hey, we'll see where it shakes out. And when I say we'll see where it shakes out, I'm talking about tonight, folks, in the marketplace. That's the bottom line. Because this futures market is going to be very active coming up to the 9 o'clock hour. The 9 o'clock hour is perfect for trading. Why? Because you get Asia opens up at 8 o'clock. It gets really heavy at 9 o'clock. And depending on how long the speech goes, 9, 10, 11, bottom line is that you're going to have the volatility out here in spades. Well, you know, when we take a look at the dollar index, what you're going to see with the dollar index, I believe that probably just popped too. Yeah, it did. So when bonds went down, dollar index went up. Dollar index right now is at 101.305. And, you know, it's going to need a lot more than that. Where the flack is in the dollar index, each and every time that it comes up to the price point where we had the 74,000, that's 101.240 area. We had 74,000 contracts on the way down, as well as 101.615. Each and every time it gets up into that area, that's where it gets sold off, and we'll see if that continues. We go over to the yen, because the yen is what's going to basically move the metals up or down tonight. The yen right now is trading at 112.70, and that yen right now, what we have, there she is. The yen also went topside right into the close. The yen just went from a price point of 112.30 to 112.70, and that, no doubt, is either that's folks basically putting on their trades before the speech starts. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Dow Industrials closed down 25. Nasdaq off 36. S&P's down 5.5. We're going to be right back, folks.
TFNN has just launched a special event in Tampa with Tom O'Brien taking place March 18th, sponsored by Nadex. Tom O'Brien will be presenting 2 workshops for a combined 2.5 hours of education, bisecting and dissecting his best-selling book, The Art of Timing the Trade, Your Ultimate Trading Mastery System. March 18th kicks off with a continental breakfast as we get everyone checked in, and that is followed by 2 75-minute workshops with Tom O'Brien. The first workshop from 8:45 until 10 a.m. will cover quality volume, cause and effect, and ABC structures, and the second workshop from 10:15 until 11:30 a.m. will cover swing points, testing, and the Tiger Gartley. Tom will then wrap things up with a question and answer session, which will be followed by a Tiger Luncheon Social on the rooftop of the Westin Hotel. The best part is that it's all free, but you must register to attend. Visit the front page of TFNN.com for all the details and to sign up today, and we hope to see you in Tampa on March 18th.